Hello and welcome to another Solos Themes demo feature. My name is Ala Haddad, the developer for the Solo theme. And in this demo, we will talk about this feature. Take this box to flip the main menu order. So what it is exactly? So the default, when you install the theme, the Solo theme, you have the header. This is the header, and this is the main menu. This is the default. But sometimes you want to be the opposite. You want the main menu at first before the header. You see that in some website, they want this layout or something like that. And I think it makes sense sometimes in some layout or what you try to accomplish. So I thought, yes, I can give this feature in a new theme. So what you do is just check this box and you click save, and I'm going to do Command Shift R, and here it is. This is the new menu. I flipped, and now I get the main menu on the top, and this menu still works, of course, on the top, and then the header. This is a cool feature also if you try just to use the parent theme without any customization or anything out of the box. I hope you like this feature and see you in the next one.